What is up, everybody? It's your dude, Star Tamer, and today we are going to be playing some Super Bomb Survival Roblox to get the Demolition Expert Egg. So first thing you gotta do is you gotta go to Super Bomb Survival game. Yeah. Oh! Not bad. Then you gotta click on play. Alright, I'll wait until the next round actually starts. Looks like a rare egg has appeared in Super Bomb Survival. If you could break open a purple crystal with enough damage, the reward will be yours. That's a green crystal. So yeah, I'll come back when it actually happens. So yeah. Alright, looks like a round starting. Oh, intermission. That's booty cheek. Just running around in circles for the past, like... This is an interesting trampoline. I got this. Oh, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Start! Pete's sake. Building map. This is an interesting game. It's actually pretty fun. Let's go. Alright, we have 2 minutes and 30 seconds to make a crystal explode. And then we gotta collect the egg that's in the crystal. And we can't die. Oh, that's a nice skill. So these bombs are going to start blowing holes everywhere, and eventually these crystals are going to start spawning. And the crystals, you have to deal enough damage with a bomb, and the crystal will explode. And it will give you an egg. Oh crap, that's a dynamite. I'm just going to sit up here. Event. Zombies. Huh. That's pretty trash. Alright, is there a flipping crystal? Crystal boy. I need a bomb to explode over here. Please. Come on. Come on, we need a crystal. Crystal boy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, I got this, This is my egg. Oh, the crystal still hasn't exploded? That's pretty booty cheek. Come on. Oh, crap. Oh, no. Oh, booty cheek. No. Bro, let's go. I got it. So yeah, that's how you get the Demolition Expert. It's a pretty short video. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out. Bye.